Welcome to Section 2, Shallow Dive into Reinforcement Learning. In this section, I will discuss learning type distinctions, getting started with reinforcement learning, and I will provide examples of real-world reinforcement learning. Great, let's get started. Learning type distinctions. In this video, I will discuss the differences between supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we attempt to make predictions on labeled data, such as the typical regression equation that you're used to seeing with a y as the dependent or target variable and different x's as features or attributes. The way that you can think about how to approach a supervised learning problem is the outcome. Is your labeled data or target variable a continuous response, such as the temperature or blood pressure? Or is it a categorical response, such as inbox or important message, or spam? For unsupervised learning, it differs because there is no target variable. So people use supervised learning to mention reduction or to do clustering by finding things that are similar. So when you look at this debt to income, this cluster of people in this group have low income and high debt. This cluster has low income and low debt. And this cluster kind of ranges a little bit more between high income and low debt and high income and somewhat medium debt. Now, on to the bread and butter, reinforcement learning. So, with reinforcement learning, you're going to hear a lot about artificial neural networks. Basically, it aims to maximize positive rewards. So, trying to achieve sort of the highest score. And it aims to converge at the most optimal expected reward value. In this video, you learned about the differences between supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning.